Hello, my name is Lee Coleman, attorney and founding partner at Hughes Coleman Injury Lawyers. Before we get started, if this video is helpful for you, please take a moment to click on the like button below and subscribe to our free channel. Today, I want to talk with you a bit about what a personal injury lawyer does and how hiring a personal injury lawyer in Bowling Green can help you if you've sustained an injury due to someone else's negligence. A personal injury lawyer helps people who have been hurt, either physically, psychologically, or both, as a result of the negligence of another person, another company, a government agency, or entity. If you've been injured by no fault of your own, a personal injury lawyer at our firm can help you recover fair compensation from all responsible parties. A personal injury lawyer who represents you will typically take over all communications with the insurance company. This takes the burden off of you so that you can focus on getting better. We'll manage all negotiations, all settlements, all investigations, and even go to court on your behalf if needed. At our firm, we can also help you schedule the medical treatment you may need to get back on your feet. Most importantly, a personal injury lawyer will fight on your behalf to get you the most money possible for your claim. We work for you and fight for your best interests, not for the insurance company. One of the benefits of working with Hughes Coleman is that we take on all the upfront case expenses, so you never have to pay fees out of pocket. We work on what's referred to as a contingency fee, which just means that we don't get paid at all unless we make a recovery on your behalf. Our team handles all types of personal injury cases. Some of the most common personal injury cases include motor vehicle accidents, including car wrecks, big truck or semi wrecks, and motorcycle crashes, nursing home abuse and nursing home neglect, premises liability cases such as slips, trips, and falling merchandise, brain injuries, which can include traumatic brain injuries called TBIs, medical malpractice cases, injuries that happen due to negligent medical facilities or negligent medical practitioners, defective products, dog bites, birth injuries, and wrongful death cases, to name just a few. Chances are, if you've been injured and it wasn't your fault, we have the team and resources available to help you. At Hughes Coleman Injury Lawyers, we know how to turn low insurance offers for car wreck and other personal injury cases into big settlements for you. Our experience makes a big difference in your outcome. We push hard to get you maximum compensation, and this could pay big for you. Here are some actual client examples. Initial insurance company offer, $3,000. Hughes Coleman result was $156,000. Initial insurance company offer was $0. Hughes Coleman result was $385,000. Insurance company initial offer $300,000. Hughes Coleman result was $1 million. We push to get all the money our clients deserve. In fact, in 2022, a jury verdict we obtained in Nashville of $12 million was the largest jury verdict of the year in Tennessee for an auto negligence case. We also obtained the largest jury verdict in Kentucky in 2022 for an auto negligence case in Christian County of $700,000. And in 2023, we've already obtained a $6.7 million jury verdict for a Kentucky man who was severely injured in Ohio. It pays to hire Hughes Coleman. If you've been injured due to someone else's negligence, it's in your best interest to contact an experienced personal injury law firm as soon as possible. There are statutes of limitations in each state which mandate the time period you have to file a claim, so you don't want to wait. Our team can immediately help you understand the steps ahead of you, and we will help you secure fair compensation for your injuries. If you're injured, please contact us today. We have teams available to go out and get records, photographs, investigate accident scenes, or interview witnesses. All of these things should be done early on, and again, understand that it doesn't cost you anything day one to hire a lawyer. We don't get paid until there's money at the end of the case from a settlement or recovery. If we don't recover for you, you don't pay us. It's that simple. If you've been injured due to someone else's negligence, call us today at 800-800-4600. We're here for you 24/7. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them into the comments section below.